Go. This is removing the cover and the floating spring, which is replaced by a larger spring. It's the one on the left, sitting there on the front. Removing the C-clip, which holds a pin that keeps the upper cover attached. And just push the pin out. Remove the upper cover. Remove the tabs that are on the side to guide the tape using a nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't have a screw there, some of the feeders, depending on the age of the feeder, may have a pin, and in those cases the pins or the tabs need to be removed using some pliers, and there's a separate video showing how to do that. So if this doesn't match your feeder because you don't have a screw there already, look for the other video that shows how to remove the CF feeder that has the tabs, the pin tabs. Next is adding the tape support guide, which is required for the CF feeders to work with the feeder finger, using a Phillips screw, the same screw that was used to hold the tabs on the side that was just removed. And then attach the feeder finger itself. Using the same pin that was removed from the original tape cover. And put the C-clip back on to hold the pin in place. Put in the new floating spring, as it's called, using the original tab and screw that were holding the original floating spring in. Here, yeah, when you're ready.